Engine oil leaks can result in you losing control of your vehicle while on the road, which could lead to a crash. That's why understanding the main car leaking oil causes and knowing exactly what to do about them is crucial. Keep watching to find out more. Worn out oil filter. One of the most common causes of an oil leak under a car is a broken or degraded oil filter. A car oil filter is responsible for filtering contaminants out of the oil before they can cause any damage to your engine. Most work as planned, but after a few thousand miles on the road, they'll start to degrade from overuse. When the filter stops working, the oil will start to leak, and the pressure from inside the engine might cause the oil filter to become loose or otherwise displaced. Either way, correcting or replacing an oil filter is a straightforward task that can be done at home. Filler cap. Another very common cause of car engine oil leaks is when the filler cap for the oil tank becomes loose or breaks. It's usually easy to tell when this has happened, as telltale oil puddles will quickly form underneath your car or pool around the engine itself. When it comes to engine oil leak repair, fixing this can take just a few seconds. First, readjust the filler cap to make sure it's not loose. If it will not stay in place, you can simply buy a new filler cap and attach this yourself. Broken gasket. The gaskets are an essential component of any car engine. They're responsible for the transfer of fluids like oil, coolant, and gas throughout the car. However, gaskets will typically degrade over time, which will cause the seals they create to weaken. This usually happens after a long period of time, usually after 100,000 miles. If this is the cause of your oil leak, you'll need to call a professional who will know exactly how to fix an oil leak in a car of this nature. Too much oil. Often what you think is a leak might just be the result of a simple error, and there's no need to worry. If you're noticing oil puddles under your car, but the dashboard engine oil light is not flashing, you may have simply poured too much oil into the engine, causing an overflow. It's also possible you simply spilled some oil when filling up. If this is the case, simply use a rag to clear up spilled oil on the engine. Also use a dipstick tube to extract excess oil, and the problem should be solved. No matter what the cause of engine oil leaks, we can solve it. If you have an oil leak as a result of wear and tear or damage to your vehicle, make sure to get in touch to arrange a swift and simple repair without breaking the bank. B&M Auto Repair and Towing is proud to offer mechanic services to the Collegeville, Phoenixville, and Oak, PA areas. We fix brakes, provide towing services, and everything in between. Give us a call at 484-358-6784 and let B&M Auto be your auto service and repair partner. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.